To make a credit card payment, begin by logging into your myLoneStar account and click the Financial Account tile. Next, click Make a Payment. You will be connected to our payment processor, Nelnet. Once in your Nelnet account, click Make a Payment. Next, choose the appropriate term and amount you wish to pay. Then click Next, Payment Method. Click the credit/debit card option and enter your credit card information. Once you have entered all of your credit card information, click Save and Continue. Review your credit card and payment amount. Then, to submit your payment, click the Pay Now button. You have successfully completed your credit card payment. For security purposes, don't forget to sign out of your account by clicking the Sign Out option.